Hey, it's me, Joe Lachey, but we could keep it simple. You could just call me Joe. I just want to talk to you guys about my craft journey, where I've been, what's been going on, my thoughts, and how I'm moving forward along this craft journey. So I guess it's best that I take it back a little bit to tell you guys how all of this craft stuff started for me. See, crafting has always been my jam. Like, it's a real chill hobby that soothes the soul. But if I'm honest, my crafting habits were a tad sporadic. That was until I met my match, the legendary Cricut machine. It was love at first cut. But like any relationship, it took time to blossom. See, when I first got my machine, I was working 2 jobs. I had a full-time day job, and I also had a part-time job. Was the best. When I tell you my part-time, the best, it was the best. A overnight, a sleep position. Like, come on now, you gonna pay me to sleep? I'm gonna show up on time. I'm gonna be there ready to sleep, because that's what I do. But anyways, my day job started to become more stressful, and I ended up deciding to just let it go. I didn't let it go to pursue crafting as a business. I just let it go for mental health. Like, it was stressing me out. So I decided to let that job go. And during that period, it was rocking in the craft room. When I tell you, I was crafting all day. It was just what I was doing on social media. I was doing everything. Like, I was just involved in the craft scene. You know, I may have sold a little cup or a tumbler or something to a family member, a close friend, but it really wasn't a business to me. I was just creating because it made me happy. Like, it was so soothing. It was just therapeutic. It was relaxing. It was like a hobby that I just really, really enjoyed doing and could do all day, every day. But during the pandemic, when I tell you I had heaps of time to dive into this crafting, I even met awesome people on social media, other creators. Like, the craft community, one of the best communities I would say I was ever a part of. But I didn't quite see it as a business opportunity, so I went back to work. I got another full-time day job. I needed that for sure money. The consistent money, the money that pays your bills. Like, I needed that. I couldn't really take the time to think about like how I'm gonna pursue my craft journey as a business. Like, it just, because I wasn't in that state of mind, I don't think it was possible for me at that time. Like, I just didn't have the motivation to really give it what it fully needed. So to fast forward a little bit, I tried to jump back into the craft ring, and the crafting biz proved trickier than I expected. I struggled to keep up with the posts and the projects, but here I am. I'm ready to dust off my crafting cape and jump back in. My goals is to connect with other crafters and inspire them with my journey from hobbyist to full-time boss lady. So buckle up. Let's get crafty. I'm jumping back in the ring. So I feel like I've already invested so much into my craft journey that I'm going to try my best to use the things that I currently have in my craft room. The Cricut Maker. Cricut Explorer. The Cricut Joy. The Epson. The heat press. These are the items that I will be using to help me grow and build my business. So I hope you guys stick around, come back to see what I'm making, how I'm doing it, and how this business is even going. So I want to take the time to thank you for joining me on my craft journey so far. Stay tuned for weekly videos where I'll be my progress, including the challenges, successes, frustrations, and joys of turning my hobby into a business.